camera cut out there. So yeah, it's their 9006 bulb replacement kit. Really simple to order from their site. I went with the 4300K color because that is, you can't see, there's a little sticker telling me that it is the 4K kit. Basically that's supposed to be kind of a medium white. I didn't want, like, struggling focusing today. I didn't want like that really bright blue or that really bright white that blinds everyone, because it is an HID kit and I get the hate. But these housings do have, you know, kind of that glass, whatever, reflector style already. So it's not just the bulb shining, and I think this will work really well. Let me see if I can capture on camera, you can kind of see. So on the driver's side, I still have the regular 9006 bulb. And over here, we have the HID bulb. And it is quite a difference. I set them both out in the engine bay. This should give you a better idea. It is so much brighter over there. So this should work much better. Maybe I'll actually be able to see at night, but that is going in the car. You switch these off. So you can get more powerful kits that, you know, you run to the battery and deal with all the relays and they put a bunch of power to the bulbs. But for me, I just went with these because they're completely plug and play. So you've got, I literally can't read right now because I'm blind, but you've got the little kit here that just plugs into, these two plug into your bulb. This plugs into the factory harness, and then your bulb has its own connectors that goes into everything, and they put a really nice little protective cap over the bulb. So it's a really nicely put together kit. I'm going to get these plugged in, both of them, and then I've just got to figure out where to mount all of the additional hardware out of the way, kind of hidden. So I'm going to knock that out, and then I'm going to see if I can find, because I just moved, everything is boxed up, but I do have fog lamp bulbs because those don't work right now either. Adam made the arduous 30-second walk over to my garage.
I came to annoy him.
But I decided to replace the fog bulbs while I'm here, and I also want to mount these on the bottom of the housings. But to do that, had to pull the whole headlamp assembly, so it's actually pretty simple. You pop a couple screws back here, reach through, you get these nuts off. There's one bolt on top, and then it's a lot of shimmying to get it out of the spot. But now you can see down in there, that's actually the fog lamp housing. So I'll pop those bulbs in and out. I found my headlamp restore kit, so we're going to keep moving on that.
It's going to look good when you get it cleaned up, dude. Because it scratches them and then you buff them, right? That's how this works?
Yep, and then we'll buff them with the cleaner and we apply the protecting coat. A little better.
Ooh, that looks good, dude. Hold on. Alright, Dale, if you're watching this back, this is for the B-roll, okay?
Thanks for the B-roll.
Yep. Alright, so what you doing now, Dale?
Now, You use this old 3M double-sided and just get these stuck to the bottom of the lens so they're nice and out of the way. And
These things?
yep,
Where are you mounting them?
the ballast and stuff are just gonna stick to the bottom of the lens that's drying,
Oh, sweet.
and then they'll be out of the way,
Sweet.
and it'll be a nice clean look. Alright, everything is back in on this side. Huh, those do have kind of a blue tint to them, even though they're supposed to be white. Anyway, so we have a working fog lamp for the first time since I bought the car. And we've got that nice HID bulb compared to this side. And they're super clear. Again, that and the fog lamp versus this side. Boom. So I take that back. Once they warm up, it actually goes white. So those are perfect. That's sweet. So today we're going to tackle the headlights on this side and get them looking as good as the headlights on that side. Also get the fog bulb replaced, as well as get the new HID setup installed. Okay, so headlights out, and one thing I am planning to do while I'm in here, so while I've got this apart, I am going to pull off the, I really wish this camera doesn't like to focus. Anyway, I'm going to take off the snorkel for the intake. So if you read up on the forums for the SC400s, a lot of guys have done what they call the BFI intake mod, and there's a few pieces to it. I'm going to try to do the first couple. So the first step, you take off the snorkel. Second part is you actually cut out, I have the top for this somewhere, it just came off the other day. So I'll put the top back on the airbox here, but then you cut out the front of the airbox so it's big and open, so you can get a lot more airflow. And then to complete it, something I'll have to do down the road is you get like some foam or plastic style, like an ABS, or guys have even done with cardboard. You kind of block off the sides and funnel air into it, and it allegedly makes a big difference. Something else you can do is take off this resonator back here and block that off, which I'd also like to do. I know it can affect your low end torque, but it also sounds way better. So, we're all about sound here. So anyway, that's something I'm going to do. I'm going to knock this out, and then I'm going to start playing with the headlights, and then we'll see if I have time to chop up the airbox. Alright, so there it is. All reinstalled, all cleaned up. And the box is ugly modified for now. I'm going to see if I can find the top and pop that back on, and then I'll have to make the fins and stuff later, but it's kind of there.
The headlights look so good, dude.
And the headlights all work. Here, let's fire them up.
That's so funny, they're blue at
With
first.
the fogs. Yeah, it's like they start blue and then they turn white.
Over time it just goes white. That's sick.
Now we got working fogs on both sides. Much better. Need to get rid of this orange lens over here, but that's a project for another day.
That one's still blue. Come on, warm up. Look at that.
Well, there you have it. I found the little lid, and it looks way better that way. So that's how it's going to stay for now.